Let's go through now and remove this drain pump, because I promise you, eventually you will have to replace a drain pump on a washer if you own it long enough. They just go bad. 3 screws, and then you have your heat shield here. Don't forget that when you're installing your new drain pump, you need to reattach this heat shield. It's there for a reason. Always reattach that properly. Don't throw that to the side. Just like that. There's your drain pump. And you can see down in here, here's your impeller. A lot of times, your impeller just comes right off the shaft from wear and tear. Very, very common failure. Or you'll have something lodged in there jamming the drain pump, and these things can get so hot they will literally almost catch fire. Seen that several times over the years.